Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a paver strip and seal job today. Let me take you down and walk you around and show you what we got. Alright, so we got a 3-car driveway here. As you can see, the failed sealer on it. It's probably been sealer, I think he said it's been down for about 10 years now. It's just time for it to go. And then along the front area here, we believe it's from sprinklers that ran this morning. And then down along the walkway and into the front porch area. So the first thing we need to do is get this failed sealer off of here. So we're using the Trident Tidal Wave gel. So we'll get this rolled on here this morning. You see John's working it over here. So we'll get this put down here this morning, let it dwell overnight, come back in the morning and get everything off and start cleaning. So let's get busy.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Okay, so we got the stripper all down. It's already doing its thing out here. Everything's turning white. Yep. All right. So we're gonna let this set up overnight. We got everything caution taped off, and come back tomorrow, turbo nozzled off, and we're ready to start our cleaning. All right. We'll see you back here in the morning. All right. Good morning, everybody. So we're back at the stripping sealing job here this morning. Let me walk you back and show you what it looks like this morning. All right. So we got here this morning, and the stripper was all dried up. It looked like it was ready to go. We tested a little area and decided we were going to put one more coat of stripper on top this morning, just to make sure. So we got that completed. Now we're getting ready to get this old sealer off of here now. So okay, so we got the old sealer off, got all the stripper up. Now we're getting ready to do our cleaning. Came out really nice. All that old nasty peeling and clouding previous sealers all gone. Now it's a nice virgin pavers. So now we'll do our 3-step cleaning process, and we should be good to go. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here cleaning today. Take it around and show you. Yep, they all look good now. All the dirt's out, ready for sand. We'll let that dry up overnight, come back in the morning, put the sand in, and then lay the sealer. It's amazing the color difference already. It didn't quite look that dirty, but it's going to be a fantastic result here. We're going to be putting the Trident Category 5 coating on here. We'll put 2 coats on. So, all right, well, that's a wrap for today. We'll see you here back in first thing in the morning. Okay, good morning, everybody. We're back here at our paver sealing job here this morning, and we are all set. We're ready to start sanding and put the sealer down today. Yeah, these pavers turned out beautiful. They're all couldn't get much cleaner. They're all cleaned, prepped, ready to go. We're putting down the fieldstone sand in this today. It'll help bring out some of the grays and dull down some of the red. Alright, so get all this sanded down, get it blown off, get everything prepped up, and we are ready to start mixing some sealer. Let's get busy. Okay, so we got everything sanded in here, and we'll do one final blow off and start mixing the sealer up. Yeah, it all looks good now. As I said, just got one more final blow. Get the top sand off of there. We should be in good shape. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Thing turned out absolutely beautiful. That finish on there, color enhancement, just absolutely beautiful. All right, well, the customer is thrilled beyond belief. They just didn't think it was going to turn out this well. Anyway, all right, well, this is Bill, Supreme Paver Experts over in Renaissance Golf Club in Sun City Center, Florida. If these are the kind of results you're looking for in your driveway, or if you have questions, feel free to reach out, give us a call, 813-853-3557, or you can look us up on YouTube or our website at www.supremetambabay.com. All right, again, this is Bill, Supreme Paver Experts. We will see you at the next job.